that to God's eye, all movement is a wondrous language. And music, such exquisite, wild music. Oh, what is laughter, Hafiz? What is this precious love and laughter budding in our hearts? It is the glorious sound of a soul.
We're here at New City, East Lake. This is where Expression Engine meets the kids, free music education, all the things. We meet like 3 or 4 times a week. Today's a special day because we're going up to Cove College. So it's performance day. They're on fall break right now. They had a half day and they're getting dropped off so we can head up the mountain. So kids, hi Ince. What's up? Hey, how you doing? What's up, Brandon?
That's my mom.
That's your mom? Hey.
My brother's going to stay today.
You gonna stay? Cool, man. What's it inside?
Yeah, it's inside.
What's up, Christian? How you doing? Yo, sure looking fresh. What's up?
Why is he following you? What up, Mr.
It's turned into a really cool documentary. What's up?
A book? Is that really
A documentary, a video. It's gonna be a cool. What's up?
Nabil!
What's
What else? Huh? No, come here. Come here.
what's up, man? You're gonna turn it into a cool documentary and music video?
I love you. You got me.
Look at you, we're almost close. That's a circle.
And cute.
She said hi to the camera. You had the wrong shirt. Yeah. Now you got the right shirt.
I'm with
Libby, co-founder of Expression Engine, my boss, cool person. You know, cool. All right. Cool. Sounds good.
31.
Oh, I was looking at the bathroom. going on? Yo, so right now we're at Covenant College. We're in the chapel backstage, and let's see. We just had our sound check, and we just ran through. Kids are like on 10 right now. You ready? Hey, got that snap. Yeah. So, dude, we're just chilling, waiting, and getting ready to. I don't know. Do what it does, yo. Kids are like, dude, it's lit. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Look at this line.
Oh my god. Holy crap.
Dude, people been out here since like 4, I don't know. Got the crowd wrapped up, man.
What's up, baby?
What's up?
Hey, nice to have you. Hey, Chase, give that to you? How you doing?
Good. How about you?
Good. Good luck.
Thanks, man. Good luck. Are you tied right here? I'm into
That's how you get the best smile out
Kind of chance tomorrow, right?
That's gonna be dope as that.
That's gonna be dope.
It's gonna be crazy.
It's a busy weekend for you though.
Every weekend, man. Yeah, homie.
Yeah, I'm excited. Let's go! Look, this is cool. Let's go!
Oh, let's go!
Give kids a chance to be kids. Inside was too confining. Hey! Trying to give the kids a sneak peek of what they're gonna perform on stage, but at the same time trying to keep them controlled. It's an art of finesse, that's what it is.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.